Good evening, guys. I'm here to explain not apparently to explain, but to give you the solution that I have to our problem. Since I need to create that sets that hold the fields of the blood type and the RH factor, so I made this because they are the one who will hold just the field one. Then I have to construct that sets the field. So yeah, this one will be the one who will, since they're the one who will holds, they are the constructor that will hold my blood type and factor. Then I made an overloaded constructors. So when you say overloaded method, it's the same name but a different parameter or value. So it's same name, different parameter. So it also tells me to create a default constructors that sets and get. So this is the set methods and the get method. Next thing is I need to create the main one because it is the one who will display it. So this is it. So data get, because the get was here in the other blood data, and also we call the blood data, so it will run. If it was in a different file or folder, it will not work. So it should be stick to one file. Done. If I'm going to run this thing, so I just press run file, click, and it will display. So he is the one group type A and the RH factor. So you just call and get the data from the other class, the blood data, which is we mention each data. So that's the reason why it run. The patient. So the problem with this is create a class named patient that includes an ID, number, age, and the blood data. So we need to mention the blood data again. So it should be on a one in a one folder because it won't work. Because I tried it already. So this is the one that separate from the blood data. So it will not work if it was separated from the blood data and the patient from a different folder. So this is our field. Yes, the instance with the declaration for our patient and ID. So this is actually our field. So I was wrong, but this one. Then variable for blood data. So we're going to call it out because we need to. It says the problem. So we're going to, in this source code, we will see that we use the get method and get patient. This is all the get methods. So we're going to get patient, get ID, get patient age, and get one is we need to create the main so it will run. So here it is. All of them are get methods. We use the get methods to able to get the patient in other patient class. So yeah, we use the get method. And to able to display, we need to create a system. We all know this, that we need to create the system out print ln. So just add plus to make them run like this. So that's it. Thank you. But you need to mention it, okay? To work, you need to mention the patient, the other class. So this is the patient, and name it patient 1. So it's patient 1 here. That's the variable. Thank you.